Welcome back everybody. So let's get right to it. The market is about to open in few minutes. We are a bit late for today, but late better than never. So let's get right to it, guys. We have a few stocks that we have to watch. CGC is doing all right. We're still holding the support. ACB hit the $1 right now, is below the $1. AGIL is going down. Okay, I'm gonna take it from the list. NCNS is good. NVOS is good. Tesla doing all right yesterday, 10%, and Nikola reversed from our bottom, the 79, and we did almost 3% yesterday. AMC doing nothing. So let's get right to it, guys. We have a few minutes on the market open. Martin Apollo said ASTI unicorn. ASTI, let me just check this one. If we have something for ASTI, yes, 42, but is a reverse split, not good, brother. Let me just check if we got something, questions. Yeah, we have a newcomer, a new hunter, Jay Pappin. Welcome, brother, to our hunter channel. Before we start our live streaming, just know that our live streaming is a bit delayed. Don't follow me blindly, do your due diligence and let the price come to you and never run after the price. Hit the like button on the way in. Don't forget this, share our live streaming, spread love. This is what we do here. Let's get right to it. REVB, the next big jump soon. COSM, okay, we'll see COSM, if we're gonna have something for COSM. Yeah, 26%, but I don't like this reaction because we're still below this level, $1.46, but I will keep it here on the list. CGC maybe will be good for today. I will keep my eyes on this one. Tesla is down a bit. Okay, guys, market is open. I'm watching CGC. If we hold the $1.38, we might have an entry for this stock. Okay, let's see. We have a breakout here. We might have a breakout. Let me just check if we have a breakout here and a quick entry. Let's see. Let's wait. ACB pulling back down. Yeah, still holding over the 85. This is the first support. CGC, I'm still looking for CGC. We might have a breakout and the market open here. Let me see if we have some profit here around the $1.60. Yes, let's see if we have a profit here and hold over the $1.38 or the $1.43. Yes, $1.43. Let's see if we hold up here. Still testing. 9% down. AVTX, Brian, we're gonna check it out, of course. Let me just check this out for you, brother. Okay, Brian asked about AVTX. AVTX. You see what's happened here? CGC got shorted around our ascending channel here. We might have a flush here. Watch out. ACB the same. We might have a flush if we broke the 81. Let me just check AVTX very quick for my brother Brian. Whoa, AVTX looking interesting here. We have a breakout from the 1460. Yes, this is the profit taken actually before. Whoa, this one looking juicy, guys. Let me just check if we have a support. Yes, we got support around the 13. AVTX, I'm changing AVTX. We have a lot of birds coming up, coming back to France. That's why we have a lot of noise here from the birds. Birds singing on the market open. They hunting with us, and instead they hunting for worms. They're really simple, you know. Birds are really have simple lives. They just thinking about worms and eating. This is it. They're looking for warm weather, food. That's it. Maybe create another bird and create another life. This is the simple life of birds, man. COSM is pumping. AVTX is pumping. Yes, AVTX, yeah, is pumping. Let me just check if we got. Let me just check. We might have a pump here. AVTX is pumping. Yes, AVTX. We might have a test for the 1772 for AVTX. We have a support around the 1343. A new high now around the 1620. Yeah, 1624. Let's see a new high toward the 1772 for AVTX, 91%, and it's still jumping. Thank you, Brian, for bringing this to us. We have a support now around 1466. Let's see if we hold over the 1466 to go toward the 1772. COSM, yes, is pumping, but is really risky because we're still below the $1.46. Support is around the $1.22. I'm watching both COSM and AVTX, both of them looking good. CGC holding our support, ACB holding our support. I will keep AVTX on the list here because it's still pumping here. I'm still waiting for the 1772 test. Volume is not bad, 69 the volume for AVTX. AVTX volume is around the 69. Let's see if we have a pump now. An action, come on, we need action. We have a huge whale entered here on the market open, and now we need another pump for AVTX. Yes, 1640, 41, 50, 73. Yes, come on, we need 17. Where's the 17? 17. Still, we need the 17. We need the 17. We don't need a pullback now. It's not the time for a pullback. Yeah, we need the 17, guys. Yeah, 17 should be tested. What a crazy pull. Yes, we have a huge gap for today for AVTX. But watch out, this one pumping from the bottom is mean there's a lot of bag holders. So even if the stock have good news, we might have a huge pullback and fake out for this stock because we have a huge bag holders. If you're new here, guys, and you never trade those stocks, please make sure to take profit really quick because those stocks, you see what's happened here? We have pump then dump. So if we broke the 1466, we're gonna have a huge sell-off down. Watch out. Watch out, everybody. AVTX, it's time for a pullback. COSM the same. If we don't hold the $1.22, we're gonna have a huge pullback. There's someone bought here, so this is good. We need to hold this level. $1.46 is our resistance. Let me just check. Yes, it is. This is the major resistance. That's why I said COSM doesn't look good. AVTX the same, is pulling back now from 90 to 73. Yes, a huge pullback. We broke the support. Huge pullback for AVTX. Let me just put the support here. Huge sell-off. So now we need to hold this level to have a reversal for AVTX. You see, we don't have another kick. We missed just 4% before this pullback. You see what's happened here? COSM $1.22 is our support. Yes, COSM is not that good, bumping from the bottom. ACB and CGC. CGC maybe is good because now it's time to reverse from this bottom. We did now 8% when we held the $1.38. AVTX we got sold off before the 1772. So we have a hidden seller around the 1680 before the 17 cent. So this is our resistance. We need to hold now over the 1342 to have a reversal. The bottom is still around the 1088. We don't want to go back here. We need to hold over the 1314. AMC, we have a pump for AMC. Watch out, everybody. AMC, we have a pump from the bottom. Still, the resistance is around the $8.41. Yeah, Martin Apollo watching AVTX for reversal here. Okay, we have a huge test for AVTX. For our support, the 1342. This is a major support area for AVTX to reverse. COSM broke the support. I'll take it from the list. NVOS. NVOS, not good here. But still holding the support. And we still holding the gain. 33 is 33.94. We'll see in VOS. It look promising. NC and C, I think this one game over. ACB reversal, guys. ACB reversal from the 81. Watch out. ACB started to reverse. We did the chart analysis update yesterday for you guys. Unicorn, ACB. We talked about this breakout around the 82, and we went until the second profit taking almost. And we discussed yesterday CGC breakout around the $1.40. Nice, good trade, guys. Okay, we have a new hunter here. I think we're gonna have so we have a new discipline hunter here, so no problem. Newcomer Mara, we'll check it, brother. AVTX is still holding here. So the two stocks might be good for today, or three to be exact, or four. Now CGC is breaking. So CGC held our support at $1.38. Not bad, everybody. Yeah, NVOS is pumping, guys. NVOS is pumping. Held the 33. AVTX might be game over here for AVTX. Maybe is game over if we don't hold the 13. NVOS looking good, ACB looking good. AVTX, we might have a sell-off if we broke the 1342. Still holding here for AVTX, still holding the 1342. We might have a reversal. ACB and NVOS started to reverse. Watch out. ACB and NVOS. ACB and NVOS. Let me just check what's going on here. Okay. CGC, we have something, guys. CGC, we have something with NVOS, ACB, AVTX. Okay, CGC, maybe we have something here. This is CGC. Let me just check. Yeah, we might have something here. Okay, CGC is kind of breakout. MVOS and ACB started to reverse from the bottom. But I don't like to enter for ACB after this extension from the reversal. We might have a pullback here. CGC on the other hand looking good with AVTX. Yeah, CGC guys looking interesting because we have a breakout from this flag. Yes, CGC looking interesting to go to test at least the $1.70. AVTX started to reverse from our bottom support, the 1342. Look at this, nice reversal guys, 1342. Good morning everybody, good morning. Bless the like button and the way in, show some love. We always do our live streaming each day around 3 p.m. CET. We watching AVTX, CGC we already hunted yesterday for our unicorn hunt. If you are on our Discord, you could have actually hunted with us. CGC after we finish our live streaming, and ACB, both of them have a nice breakout yesterday, a nice good hunt. Yes, okay. Yeah, you have access now to the but I think 70% our Discord, yes. Exactly, because when you are on the discipline hunter, when you are on discipline hunter, you have 70% access to our Patreon and Discord. For the king, almost 80%. For the elite hunter, you have access 100%. And of course, our god level sold out yesterday, guys. We don't want to have many hunters here, so we have to organize this level first. That's why we close our level here, because this is the first time we open this level and we have to organize it first. That's why we don't want to have 50 or 100. We can manage it, you know. So that's why we keep it on just 10 Patreon. We'll try to open some places the next time, okay, when we organize everything. Okay, and yesterday we didn't do one day swing trade, guys, because we didn't find any good trade. That's why I didn't do any swing trade today, okay? Even today, maybe we have, maybe we're not. So only we post if we have a good setup. Otherwise, it's not good to trade. CGC, guys, nice. CGC is pumping. Now, let me just take profit here. Okay, we have 8% on this trade, CGC. Okay, I'm gonna take profit, guys, here because we might get rejected. I'm gonna take profit then and enter once again. So we exited on this trade because we might get rejected around the $1.82. AVTX looking good. I'm still waiting for a break from the 1680 for AVTX. CGC, I'm still waiting for a breakout from the $1.81 to enter once again. And we entered around this breakout. It was good trade. We have almost 10% in this trade. So now we're getting near a resistance. I will watch if we get rejected. I'm not entering. Maybe I will enter and pull back. So I'll watch CGC for a reversal. You see, NVOS, I don't enter because I expect the price will pull back. And ACB, man, this one is madness. This one is crazy. We have a new high. We'll see if we have a pullback now. CGC, AVTX, pulling back once again. Clifton, oh man, you believe, man, you believe in universe, brother. Yes, I remember last week I said if you press the like button, you're gonna get a raise or a gift from universe. So Clifton got a raise in his job after he actually pressed the like button. Oh man, thank you for sharing this good news, brother. Hopefully you have more raise and more growth in your life, brother. You deserve it. Man, I believe in universe. I believe in karma. Whatever you do, everything will come back to you. If you do good things, good things will happen to you. This is a really belief. Good energy, only good energy, guys. AVTX, we have a big seller. The big seller added around the 15 cent. Watch out. If we broke the 1342, no huge squeeze for AVTX, and we're gonna have a sell-off. Watch out, AVTX. If we broke the 1342, is not good for today, and it's mean we gonna go down toward the 1088. Watch out. AVTX started to pull back. The short just added. Hidden seller around the 15. CGC tested our resistance. Are we gonna have a pullback now? It's time to pull back, guys. It's better to pull back, because if we broke here, we might have a sell-off after. So it's better to pull back here around the $1.60 to enter. I'm not entering right now. I already exited from CGC trade. AVTX breaking the support. Watch out. Alert. ACB accumulating here. It's a bit risky, ACB. Okay, CGC is about to squeeze, guys. CGC is about to do a new high here. AVTX, guys, AVTX, game over, I think. Game over. Wait a second. Let me just check something here. I think we have a huge pump now for CGC, guys. Yes, CGC is to the moon. Let me just check here. You know, as I told you guys, the breakout without a pullback down is dangerous to enter here. So I don't trust it. We might have a test toward the $2.10, but yes, it will be better if we have a pullback. Huge pump here. It's overextension. It would be good if we have a pullback here around the $1.63 for entry. But now we might have a pump anyway for CGC. Let me just check if we have a huge pump for CGC. Yes, I think we're gonna have a pump toward the $2.10 now for CGC. Yes, $1.92. We might see the $2. We might see the $2. Yes. Are we gonna have a pullback now? Yes, pullback. If we held the $1.80, we're gonna have a pump. This is it. You know what? Let me just take this off. And yeah, $1.75. This is our support. If we held here, we're gonna have the $2.10. AVTX, not good, guys. Not good here. NVOS, ACB. So ACB and NVOS looking good, and CGC, of course. It's CGC. I'm waiting for another pump toward the $2. Yes, $1.92. Come on, $2.10. Where's the $2.10? Today we have a huge action for many stocks. CGC, especially CGC, guys. This is a big action stock. I think we're gonna have a pullback, guys. We need a pullback. This is not realistic here. If we have a huge pump, we have to test here before a huge pullback. This will be a good trade if we win there without a resistance. But I think we're gonna have a pullback now. You see? Man, Siri always come in the wrong place, in the wrong time. ACB is still accumulating. ACB is really strong. You see, we don't have a huge pullback. CGC pullback, of course. See what's happening here, guys. We have a breakout, then a fake out, and now it's pullback. Of course, if we broke the $1.75, is mean a sell-off. This is it. We need to have a reversal here. This is it. Let's see a huge reversal. Otherwise, the short added around the $1.92. You see, as we said, guys, a huge pump like this is not good. We should have.
I didn't catch that. Could you try again?
Oh man. I think Siri is making some jokes on me. Yeah, CGC, guys, not good. It's going down now. It's going down. Huge pump, really huge pump here. Almost 22%. Now a lot of scalping. Momentum traders taking profit. So this is it. If we broke the $1.75, we might have a flush. If we held, we're gonna have a reversal. This is it. $1.75. Still holding. Flush. Are we gonna have a flush now? $1.75. This is it. Yes, broke. Not good, guys. Not good. Flushing down. Flushing down. AVTX. AVTX is reversing. Okay, we have a reversal. Okay, we got some support here for AVTX. This is the support. MVOS is looking good. ACB pulling back. CGC. CGC. Okay, now we have that support around the $1.63. Let's see if we hold this level first. CGC is still looking good, so we need to have a pullback. The pullback came a bit late, you see. Came a bit late. That's why we said it's better to have a pullback before the breakout. And this is what I was afraid of. Yeah, a huge pullback here. Yes, I'm gonna try to do this right now. Okay, let me just try to do this right now before we miss another trade. You know, this has always happened, guys. This has always happened. We have FOMO price pump, FOMO, price break, then go down. And here, the smart money take money. Hunters, of course, take money, and then the price go down. But now we might have a good buying the dip for CGC. Around the $1.63 actually would be good. ACB pulling back, MVOS pulling back, AVTX pulling back. AVTX, guys, if we hold over this box, direct box between the 12 and the 10 cent would be good. Otherwise would be not good. Okay, Jan Milo made a big box on CGC. Good, brother. Bill Hitchen. No, I don't have French accent yet. Here, French people don't like their French accent, you know. when I told them if you just speak in United States with your French accent, you'll be treated like a royal family, you know, because French sound like royal, you know, or high status. It's crazy. And you don't know like what you have until you like you go another country or another language or another community to see how precious your language is or whatever. CDN Dave, CGC still holding. Okay, let me just check CDN. But is it Canadian, brother? I think is Canadian. No, I think no. Let me just check Mara because we got many questions for Mara from our hunters here. Yeah, Mara, 5% broke kind of support. What a shabby trade here. Let me just change the trend here. Okay, so for Mara, still going down. We have a huge pump here back in the end of August. But Mara have a strong support around the $8.40. Resistance already got rejected around the just below the $14. So we have to break the 14 to go toward the 16 and 19. Now it's not good to buy yet because price might actually go down again toward the 8.40 after the bad earnings. So Mara, not yet, everybody. The most important and the hardest things in trading is to wait. Waiting is the hardest thing. Waiting until the trade come to you. Because if you move, oh man, NVOS, let me just check NVOS. NVOS is moving. NVOS is moving, everybody. I'm watching NVOS. Maybe we're gonna have a trade. ACB went down. CGC, whoa, we might have an entry for CGC actually here. It hold our support. We might have kind of reversal here. CGC, we might have a reversal from this bottom. Let's see. If we held the $1.63 would be good. $1.63 should be a reversal zone. And let me just check the other one now. NVOS. Yeah, NVOS looking interesting. Really interesting because we have a huge accumulation here. Let me just update the support around the 38. Yes, the 38 should be our support. AVTX not good now. So NVOS guys and CGC maybe. CGC if we hold okay, otherwise we're gonna have a flush. Yes sir. Let me just adjust. Yeah, we have a support now. It's been held perfectly. $1.63, yes. And if we reverse, we need to go at least 5% here. $1.74. NVOS, yes, still looking strong here. CGC, man, come on, where's the reversal? Where's the reversal? No reversal for CGC, no reversal. Guys, hit the like button on the way in. Let's hit the like. Scan is the runner. Scan is the runner. Someone said the scan is the runner. Nope. Nope. Not today. ACB going down in VOS. CGC. Yeah, CGC is flashing down as well. Not good here, guys. Not good. We have a huge flush coming up. Okay, let's see. What a disappointment for MVOS. Pump and dump. We have a huge reaction, then now it's dumping down. Not good. No reversal from the first level. No reversal. Okay, I'm just giving it the last chance to reverse. The last chance. We have the first level we broke here around the $1.63. We broke it. The short added. Now $1.55. If we broke it, not good at all. We might break the next time the $1.38 and flush toward the $1.16. So this is it. Over this AMA, are we gonna have a test and reversal or not? CGC, are we gonna have a green day or red day for CGC? Because now it's 6% down. Whoa, NVOS is pumping. NVOS, we have a new high here for NVOS. We might have a test for the 44. ACB flush down. CGC testing. This is it. Are we gonna have a reversal? Nope. The short still shorting. $1.55. This is it. We need to have a green, at least 1 minute green candle here, to show us that we have a chance to reverse. Yeah, and the CGC, I think we're gonna have a green candle here around the $1.55. This is it. This is it. Now we might have a test around the $1.71. Yes, reversal. Yes, finally we have a reversal, guys. 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Come on, we need a new high. A new high for this candle over the $1.62 to confirm the reversal. Come on, we need the $1.71 to confirm a reversal. Test the $1.71. NVOS still below the 44. Patience, everybody. Patience is a key in trading. Yeah, simple to say, but hard to do. Yeah, I know. So as we said, CGC, we hunted for CGC, guys, yesterday. It was good hunt on our Discord. And again, our disciplined hunter already, yes, we have just one place, I think. So we have disciplined hunter and king and elite. So our God level just sold off yesterday. As we said, we need to manage this level because it's a bit different. And the idea is for no monthly fees, but I tried to do a refund for each one, you know. So that's why I just put it on $1 because on Patreon I can put 0. So it was too much time consuming to do a refund for each one. So sorry if you just sign up for the next time and you have to pay $1, but it's nothing. So for the $1. So yeah, this is from Patreon. I can just put it 0. I want to put it 0 and make a refund, but I already refund all our hunters now on the God level. However, yes, the time consuming is really annoying. So that's why I just keep it on $1. So if we have open slot the next time, you just pay $1 and you have access to our elite 1 day swing trade. But if you are on the elite, you have access to elite requests. So you could actually request a stock during the market open. So on the king you can't do that. You just have access to the our chart analysis update. That's it. You don't have access to pre-market alert or crypto hunt or unicorn hunt. You have access just for the elite 1 day swing trade and the questions here. This is the different. CGC is still holding, guys. $1.55. MVOS got shorted. ACB got shorted. AVTX got shorted. Big time. So I'm watching CGC. This is the final fight for CGC. Final fight. Final. Kingston, no. Tight is not a good name. The name is not good, brother Kingston. We need simple name like Apple. You see, the most famous phone ever is the simplest name, Apple. Everybody knows Apple, but nobody knows tight level. Nobody knows it. So I put it, God is better. Everybody knows God. Even the people who don't believe in God, they know gods. You know, they know God, what God is. You know, accuracy is not good, brother. Apple don't look for accuracy. If you want to promote something, make it simple, you know. If you make it hard to pronounce or hard to know what the name is not good for promotional purposes, you know. I'm just taking an example for Apple, you know. It's really simple name and straightforward. It's not precise because if you think about it, Apple, the company Apple, they don't sell apple fruits. So Kingston, if Apple want to be accurate, they never name their phone with Apple the fruit. So it's make no sense. You don't need to be accurate, like use accuracy for words, you know. You don't have to. So this is a good example for you guys. That's why we chose God. It's better. The accuracy is we have to use it in trading. Name doesn't matter, brother. It doesn't matter. Whatever we name is not. The most important thing is the result. CGC. Huge fight here, guys. Not good. Huge fight. Yes, CGC. Come on, we need a reversal, guys. $1.55. This is it. We need the profit taken around the 70. Come on. MVOS and ACB. Let me just check. Swing trade. Google, Meta, Amazon, UPST. Nice. Huge reversal. Neo, huge reversal. Palantir, INTC, guys. INTC, nice. 39.70. Last time we did update, it was on our King Elite swing. It was back on the 1st of September. The price was around the 37.30 and now is almost around the $40. And we said the 40.87 is profit taken, so we almost hit our profit taken around this level. Okay, so this one of our swing trade doing all right for INTC. Raving the same. We did update back then on the 1st of September for this hunt around the 23.53 and now 24.15. Another swing trade for our hunters. Tesla still pumping. Nice. We have another resistance we broke. CGC started to reverse, guys. Watch out. CGC started to reverse. We have to test now the $1.70. T-tone. Whoa, 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 whoa. Obvious music. Apple stole the name from Beatles. No. Why? Apple is... Everybody eats apple. Who actually invented the name Apple? It's fruit, man. I think I'm gonna search it right now. Like, who actually created the name Apple? Who created the name Apple for the fruit? Let's go to the basic. Why apple is called apple? No. Yes, where the word apple came from. The word apple came from, and why the forbidden fruit was unlucky to be linked with the fall of man. Man, like apple was been discussed in Christianity and all the religions. So because this is how everything started, you know. So I don't know who actually created the name Apple. By the way, French, they call potato pomme de terre, or apple of the earth. Okay. Okay, CGC is reversing, guys. CGC is reversing. CGC is reversing now. As we said, the $1.55 is the reversal zone. Yeah, man, if you go back in time and you want to see the origin of name, how names actually created, it's kind of, it's not scientific, because you can point down on who actually created the name. Some people say it's like in Christian, like from God who actually named the name, but let's say other fruits, you know, banana, or it's all made up by human, because before a human don't talk, there is no language, you know. So who created the name? This is crazy. I'm just wondering how much they pay. Apple company, how much they pay for Beatles. This would be crazy, man, to know. AVTX, not good. CGC is still holding this support. The Sir, man, never say Isaac Newton, man, Kingston. Always say the Sir Isaac Newton, the guy who changed everything. Everybody said that before Isaac Newton there is no gravity on Earth. Everybody was flying. You know, everybody think that gravity is made up by Newton, and that's why we feel it. It's like if someone told you, don't think about the gorilla that juggle some balls. So when I said that, it's like gorilla is inside your head right now. You already imagine it. So the idea is suggestion, man. So if someone told you gravity actually hold you down, you're gonna believe it. If you don't know gravity, you're gonna fly. Because you don't think about gravity, and you don't think about something pulling you down. This is crazy. AVTX holding the last bottom, guys. Boom. AVTX got shorted around the 1680. ACB reversal, NVOS reversal, CGC reversal. We have a reversal now for many stocks. NVOS, we have a huge pump now. As long as we all hold over the 38 cent is good. A can. Light volume on this one, brother. We have the $1 to break and 70 to hold. So the 70 is our support, 70 cents, and profit taken is around the $1.19, $1.49. We have two levels to have profit. Resistance is around the 101 AKN or AKAN, but light float, no action. CGC, man, what a huge fight, what a huge fight. Didn't test even the $1.70 and pulled back again to test the support. How much we pulled back here? We pulled back almost 20%. Big short, man, big pull up and big sell off. But we're still holding the $1.55, not bad. Tesla, we have yesterday almost 10% we closed the market. And now we have, yes, almost on the all-time high for this year. Not bad. Look at this, not bad. We got sold off after the earnings. Now the target toward the 300 for Tesla. Tesla toward the 300, as long as we hold the 274. Let me just check how much here for this support. Yeah, 1%, not bad. For Tesla, we might have another kick for Tesla. CGC still holding. Nikola down 5%, AMC 2%. Let me just check Tesla once again. Yeah, Tesla, maybe we're gonna have action here. Frebo, yes, this is crazy time, man. It's called infringement. So if you register something, like you created a brand, you can actually sue anybody if anybody took your brand name. John, say hi to your brother. Say hi to your brother. This is crazy how everything's connected. Wherever you are, you can actually watch our live streaming. Even if you are in Mars, there's a chance that you can watch our live streaming. Maybe in the future, you know? Streaming from another planet. I don't know who's the first streamer or who's the first YouTuber will be streaming from another planet. Wow, we have accumulation, everybody. Watch out, accumulation for CGC over the $1.55. PayPal making a comeback. Just 2% here. Yes. PayPal, maybe we gonna have a comeback. Yes. Yeah, PayPal maybe, because we tested our bottom. As we said, the 58 and 55, we said nice entry here for PayPal to buy the dip. So PayPal, not bad. Thank you for bringing this up, brother. Looking good. CGC, I'm still waiting for this one to reverse. What kind of news, Chad Walter? What kind of news PayPal have? Let me just check if we got something. Uber. Aha, so Uber extending partnership with PayPal for expanded debit processing. Okay, not bad. We have some good news. Yes, Uber signs multi-year deal with PayPal. Okay, good news. Good news. You see, sometimes we need news to give us blood for the stock to have another kick. AMC, yes man, AMC. We have the test for the $8 today. Let me know if you saw the $8 for AMC for today, because here on TradingView we saw the $8 actually around like the first almost half or 30 minutes of the market open. We have a pump for AMC and we hit the $8. I don't know, I think some broker have different pricing. Nikola Tesla is pulling back. CGC. Okay, ACB, AVTX, PayPal. Let me just check the volume gainer for today if we got something. TLY, wow, pulling back down 9%. Oracle down 13%. INTC pulling back, but we're still in green on today with Neo, Maras as well. AMC, finally we have some green. Apple is still pulling back down. Okay, SoFi looking good. We have a breakout here. 5%. I think we have this breakout on the market open. Okay. SoFi, not bad, guys. Not bad here. I will check SoFi. I will put it on the list. We might hunt it down. WE, we have a reverse split, not good. 1 to 40. Dilution, everybody, dilution. Will be a dilution if we broke back below the 4. But now it look interesting. 40. 1 to 40. Really big, man. Yeah, WE maybe we might have some action. 47%. This one next. SFWL had 2 profit taken. I think we discussed it before back in 1st of September around this breakout, the $6.50. We went toward the 10, then to 15, and almost to 20. FFIE pumping. CGNT hit the profit taken finally. Okay, we broke the support for CGT. Not good, everybody. Not good here. NVOS, ACB, everything is pulling back now. AVTX is holding the last support around the 10 cent. Yes, Dave. CGC is flushing. Not good. Not good. We had the chance, guys. We had the chance to reverse. We had the chance to reverse around this level, you see? $1.55. We accumulated here. Short added, went down. If we broke the $1.38, game over for today. We're gonna have a huge flush. So this is the bottom now. $1.38. And resistance that we should break is there around the $1.63. Yeah, we have to bring we is pumping, everybody. 42%. We'll see if we hold here or there. $3.87. Okay, we might have a trade for this one. Guys, hit the like button on the way in. As we said, we always go live each day around 3 p.m. CET. Today we've been a bit late. We have a bit of emergency, so that's why we got late on our live streaming. The most important thing is doing our live streaming. Even if we're late, we have to be there to hunt together, guys. This is why we're here. T-non, please. Emily, I think you said this to me. T-non. It's a funny name. Yeah. Shall be trade this one. Yeah. It's not good. It's really risky. That's why I don't build it on my list. Yeah, it jumped 65%, but now it's accumulating. 35 we have to break. 20 we have to hold. We're missing almost 50% to squeeze, so it's a bit far. Really a bit far to have a squeeze once again. So the squeeze should start really shabby. So we just need to hold over the 20 if we need to have action. Dr. Aaron, you are welcome, brother. Interesting. We have a doctor, we have a business people here, and we have many different people in one place. This is really good. We have knowledge from everywhere. This is what make having our community is really precious, because we have a diversity in where the people come from. We have the diversity in the countryside, We have a diversity in the work kind of side and interests. We have a diversity in colors. We have a diversity of many things, but we connect with one thing, which is hunting. We all hunting for the stocks. So whatever your color, whatever your country is, whatever your job is, we are all one here. When you come here on our YouTube channel, we are hunters. We are one hunter. So if you eat, I'm eating. So if you hunted gazelle, we're gonna gather and we have BBQ together. So this is the good thing about our community. At the same time, when you have this kind of diversity, it's good to share our knowledge, you know. So it's hard to me to be a doctor or a lawyer and a mathematician and a dancer, and at the same time you can actually be a professional. You can be like a beginner at each one of them, but you can be a professional at each one of them. You have to put a lifetime. So really interesting to have a diversity here. And yeah, anybody have some kind of interesting fact about his job, just drop it here in the chat section. It's kind of make us think outside the box. Like one of you asked about or tell us about the Beatles have just sued Apple. Really interesting. WE is still pumping. WE, guys, is still pumping. WE to the moon, 63%. We have target for WE is around the $5.62. Watch out, everybody. Later on, we're gonna do update like yesterday. Yesterday we did update for two unicorn, CGC. We hunted for CGC yesterday, and ACP. I think we closed our hunt for CGC back here yesterday, 11th September, around the $1.71. Let me just check again for CGC. Exactly. $1.71. Yes, so we close it there, $1.71, around this area before the sell-off yesterday. So yeah, we took our profit for CGC after we close our live streaming. So expect another update on our unicorn hunt, and we might do a swing trade and elite 1 day swing trade where we hunt for mini stocks. Like before we did for GameStop, we did for ZS, Dell, of course, at the end of last month. It was the biggest hunt for us with NVIDIA, of course. So stay tuned for this update later on for many stocks. So the party is not over. The party is not over. So if you want to join and have more action, you can join us here on our Patreon. Here our levels. Guys, if you have any question, let me know in comment section below. We're gonna do update later on for mini stocks. We have to do a recap, of course, later on around 8 p.m. CET. And now the market is a bit pulling back. So yeah, even for WE, CGC pulling back, NVOS, ACB. So yeah, we have to wrap up our live streaming. AVTX sold off. So we have to wrap up our live streaming now, and we're gonna do update later on, of course, as we said, on our Discord and Patreon for alert, for signals, for entry and exit for those stocks. We might have power hour for them. Thank you for watching, everybody. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section below. If you have question, please, if you have question for the king or the god level that already sold out yesterday, let me know in comment section below, or send it to me directly is better. trading.jesus.contact@gmail.com. I will reply as soon as possible. You are welcome, Dog Shepherd. You are welcome, brother. Cheers, everybody. See you soon.